Hello guys, and happy Sunday. Start to a great new week. I'm excited to have a little bit more to show you guys this week because we're doing our spring clean-a-thon, but I'm going to take you along with me because we have to go to Joann Fabrics and then pick up a Wegmans order. I picked up some things at Michael's yesterday for a couple collabs I am doing in May. So now I'm gonna head over to Joann's and see if they have anything else I wanna add. And if there's anything cool to show you, I will certainly do that. Happy Tuesday, everyone. We are in the Target parking lot right now. I gotta go in and get a couple things. Zeus is here with me. Zeus, you ready to go to Target? First though, we stopped at Starbucks and I got another pink drink. This is the guava passion fruit drink. So it looks very similar in color to the strawberry acai. So let's try it out. Oh, this one is way more my speed. It's very tropical tasting. It honestly has a subtle pog juice flavor. The lady who I ordered it from did say that it had pineapple juice in it or pineapple ginger something in it. Wow, I'm gonna have to go and order this with Phil. I think he will really like this. I don't know if he will like the pink color, but he loves pog juice. Wow, that's good. This is probably my favorite drink right now at Starbucks, other than my unsweetened black iced tea. Happy Saturday, guys. We are waiting for my parents. They're gonna pick us up. And Zeus. Say hi, Zeus. Happy Saturday. He's excited because he knows that Nana and Grandpa are coming. Are they coming? Yes. Anyways, we are gonna go to BJ's and Aldi, and I got some other errands, things I gotta pick up, so yeah, let's get it going. One thing before we go, I got this bin to fit in that one last spot in my closet from the spring clean-a-thon I did last week. So I'm gonna work on filling this up. I still have a little bit more to do with my closet stuff, and we'll get to the rest of spring clean-a-thon later today. All right, so I dropped off my package that I had to at the post office, and I picked up some cookies because tomorrow is my friend's bridal shower. So now we are at Wegmans because they have a hot dog stand on the weekends, and they're really good, so we're gonna go get them. So we're doing a little tailgating.
Tailgating at Wegmans.
Yeah, and then we got our hot dogs here and some drinks, and they give you chips too. Phil, where are we?
We're at BJ's Wholesale Club.
Yeah, Pup, are you going in?
Yep.
Gonna get some stuff?
Yep.
Hello friends, back from shopping. I am in my garage and I want to do some more cleaning. I've moved quite a few things around, but I'm going to open the garage door up, try to get some of the junk out into the recycling and just work on organizing it more. There's like things in the middle of the space here that I kind of want to like get towards the walls so everything's just more easily accessible. And then I also have another shelving thing to set up because I needed more space than the one shelf we have. So let's do it.